ad agencies, there's 3 undoubtable truths that cannot be denied. One, this is an ad. You're watching an advertisement and I paid good money for you to be watching this video right now. 2, there's a 99.8% chance that you don't know who I am and I don't know who you are. And 3, yes, I am selling something at the end of this system and funnel that you're watching right now. Now that we got that out the way, can we continue? Cool. There's 3 things that I've learned in the last 4 years from managing over 100 local business client accounts, earning millions of dollars online, earning the 2 Comma Club award that I want to share with you. The first thing, if you're going to have a profitable local ad agency, you need this right here. You need phone calls, okay? If you're not talking to new businesses, if you're not talking to people that want to give you money for what you do not have a business. If the business is not producing money, you do not have a business. You need to be able to generate phone calls for yourself so you can have more clients and produce more income to do whatever it is you want in life. The second thing that you need to have a profitable local marketing agency is results, okay? When I say results, for us, what does that mean? That means you need proven advertising campaigns, proven landing pages, all right, proven targeting, proven scripts, proven copy that is already working, okay? In my ad agency, one of the things that helped me earn the 2 Comma Club award is I've been able to actually scale a very profitable agency by working with these local businesses, think lawyers, dentists, chiropractors, car dealerships, all these different businesses. We've done for over 50 different niches, we've been able to produce a successful ad and a successful funnel for to get them new customers. You need to have results. You need to be able to have proven results to provide to your clients to have a profitable local marketing agency. And the third and final thing that you definitely need is support, okay? We all have questions. We're all students of sales. We're all students of marketing. All right, we're all students of life. You need to have a place to get your questions answered. No matter where you are in this journey, whether you're just starting out or maybe you've earned $1 million online, I wouldn't consider myself an expert because I'm still a student of marketing. I will always be a student of sales, right? But I do have years of experience in the local marketing online digital space that's earned me, obviously, like I said, millions of dollars, the 2 Comma Club, the cars I drive, the penthouse I live in, the wedding that I paid for me and the wife. There's been extraordinary things that I've been able to do that my business has been able to pay for, and I'm able to share those experiences. So without support, you're really just kicking rocks by yourself. But here's the thing. You're not alone, okay? I've actually been able to develop a system that teaches people how to start, launch, and profit from running a local marketing agency. I've actually helped over 500 people do this, and I have them all in a community where they get access to me, they get access to my team to answer questions, okay? So you gotta have support. Here's the crazy part. When I first started this whole online marketing thing, I was actually active duty. It was roughly 4 years ago. I was serving in the Navy. I tried MLM, I tried affiliate marketing, I tried blogging, SEO, you name it, I tried it, okay? SEO took way too long, okay? You had to wait 6 to 12 months to get website ranks. Blogging, same thing, way too long, writing copy all the time. You had to wait for it to rank. Affiliate marketing, you were selling other people's junk, making 20, 30, 40, maybe 50%. MLM, get 100 people to sign up underneath you and you become rich. No, that was super sleazy. My local marketing agency pays me 100% profit, 100%, because I own it and I pay my team to manage the parts of my business so that I can exit my business, enjoy the time with my wife, and we can go on vacations, do whatever we want to do. That's the exact goal that I want you to have in your business as well, okay? I want you to be able to have consultations booked on your calendar all the time, be able to get clients whenever you want. I want you to be able to deliver outstanding results to your clients so they pay you every single month. And I want to give you amazing support so you can get all your questions answered from professionals that are actually doing this in the trenches every day. And remember, you do this from home and you make 100% profit. So all the other stuff, is for the birds. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to invite you to some training. I put together a 47-minute training video that outlines every single thing that you need to know about having and running a profitable local marketing agency. I'm going to teach you how to get the clients, how to get them results, how to scale your agency, how to even outsource. I'm going to show you exactly what we've been able to do to earn millions online. Like I said, the 2 Comma Club Award, this is my business, this is my profession. I'm happy to share all of my knowledge with you. So if you click the link associated with this video, it's going to take you to a page. Drop your email there so I know exactly where to send you the video, and watch the video. If it's a great fit for you, if you want to learn more, we're happy to chat with you more on the one-on-one basis to implement this a lot faster. So thank you so much for watching. This is Douglas James, and I look forward to chatting with you. Thanks. Before I go, there's actually one more thing. Did you see how I got your attention at the beginning of this video? Videos like this, advertisements like this, most people don't know how to use to make money online, okay? First thing I did tell you, I'll tell you this was an ad, right? You're watching an advertisement. That's the first thing. If we're gonna build trust and do business in the future, if you're gonna watch my content, if you're gonna learn from me, you need to have rapport built, you need to have trust built with your audience. So telling you that this is an ad, telling you that we probably don't know each other, which we probably don't, there's a small chance that we actually know each other. I'm selling some at the end of this. Yes, obviously my time has a dollar amount worth to it, just like your time has a dollar amount worth to it. Okay, so by the end of this, if this is a great fit for you, there would be an opportunity to invest. But I don't want you to miss out on the free content and the no-cost training that I put together for you that outlines everything that you need to do. So I do hope you watched the free training. I'm very excited that you watched all the way to this bonus material at the end of this video. But click the link on the video, drop your email, go watch the training, and hey, let's have a conversation. This is Douglas James. Have an awesome day.